Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve kicking you out on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to Clash of Clans. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Then you can click storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.